In this video, I will show you how to change the font size on Snapchat to make it easier to read. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see the control center and tap on it. Scroll down and look for text size at the bottom. Tap on the plus sign to add it to the control center. Bring down your control center and scroll down to see the text size option. Go back to Snapchat while it's open. Bring down your control center again, scroll down, and tap on the text size option. Make sure only Snapchat is selected. Drag the slider to increase the font size. You can choose the desired size, for example, 160. Go back to Snapchat, close it to refresh the app, and reopen Snapchat. Go back to your chat window. You should now see that the chat size has increased. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.